Okay, here's a little boiler I've had for years in my collection. I'm going to start selling off my collection of smaller items, smaller steam engines and boilers. This is made by Tiny Power. This is bronze. This plate here is all bronze. Casting. The only thing that's leaking on it are my fittings. The boiler doesn't leak at all, just the fittings here. I just need to put some packing on them or something. I really like the copper rivets along here. You go all the way around it. It's really nice. Of course, you got your tricocks right here. They work good. I've had it up to 80 pounds. It's just about there now. I made the stack for it because it didn't come with one. It's a, I think, 2-inch pipe. And made a nice brass. Looks like a factory boiler. You know, you'd see it in a big factory. Fill and drain for the boilers right here. Nice boiler though. You see the pop-off valve is getting ready to pop, so it probably pops at around 80 pounds. There's no stamp on it. Sight glass is good. I'll put some wood in it. You put pretty long pieces of wood in it. Really good draft. It goes through a lot of wood fairly quickly, so you got to keep feeding it. Maybe what I'll do is I'll send some coal along with it when I sell it. I've got some small coal, lump coal, that I'll include. You know, maybe a 5-pound box of it or something like that. Tiny Power is the name of it. Really nice little boiler. It's the largest boiler I've ever seen that's small. That's about it. I put it on eBay for sale.